Assalamu alaikum, my young friends. Today we have something special for you. We're starting a new series called Untold Stories of Islamic History. And our first episode is about the great Muslim traveler, Ibn Battuta. Ready for a journey? Segment 1. Who was Ibn Battuta? Ibn Battuta was a Muslim scholar and explorer who lived in the 14th century. He started his travels from Morocco and visited around 44 countries. Can you imagine that? Segment 2. The start of his journey. What's incredible is that he began his journey when he was just 21 years old. His first destination was to perform Hajj in Mecca. But did he stop there? No. Segment 3. Interesting facts. Did you know that Ibn Battuta even met the famous Muslim ruler of India, Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Not only that, he traveled on land, on sea, and even on camels. His journeys lasted for almost 30 years. Segment 4. Why should we remember him? Ibn Battuta wrote a book about his travels called 𝗚𝗘𝗔𝗥, which means journey in Arabic. This book is like a treasure for historians and provides us insights into the cultures and societies he visited. So kids, wasn't that interesting? Imagine going on such an adventurous journey. If you want to hear more untold stories, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.